We're back. Welcome back to the Kirsty Meakin YouTube channel. I can't get used to saying that. Anyway, just going to show you, we've got a brand new product launching. So guess what? I'm going to show you what it is. It's a nail file, but it's not just a normal nail file. Let's get down to this. So we have, this is our disposable, reusable nail file. So it comes like this. So you have this gorgeous metal plate. It's engraved, fully engraved. Look, I'm going to show it to both cameras. I'm going to put it on your hand. Can you see? And it's metal. What you do is you buy this, and then you have, so we have all the different grits. So you've got your 240 grit, 150 grit, 180 grit, and 300 grit, right? So you can put on whatever you want. So on this one, you can see that I've got, obviously I've used it, it's a 240 grit and it's a 150 grit. So if you like to use your nail file to prep and also file down product, you can have one file doing the same thing. So you've got your 240 grit there, and then you've got your 150 grit. So you can do your refining of your acrylic, okay? I'm going to put my gloves on because, not just for hygiene reasons, because my nails, well, they've seen better days, Duck. I've been a little bit busy, let me tell you. So I need to do my own nails, which we will do on the video because, you know, we all love that. Adam hates filming me do my own nails, but, you know, I like doing it because I get to keep the nails, which is nice. So here we go. Metal file. This is full sanitizable as well. So I use the Navy Tools File and Store Spray. So you'll just go over that. And I take my dolly cloth, also from Navy Tools, and wipe over, and it's all nice and clean. So I'm going to show you how you attach your little files. So you buy packs of these, they come in packs of 10. So I'm going to do this one because I've got this one set up as this. And mind you, I'm going to take this off, so ignore me. I'm going to set this one up the same. So I want a 150 grit and I want a 240 grit. So you simply peel off the back like this. Turn it round, we're going to line it up. And I like to sort of hover over and catch my fingers either side of that metal file first. And that's going to help with lining everything up. Like that. Give it a press. There we are, one side done. Some people like to leave, just use one side like that, but I like to have both sides on and have different grits as well. So it's really good because obviously you've got a client and you don't want to waste all your files on your clients by throwing every single new file away. So you could have one of these per client, but that will be expensive because you need the metal board. So I'm just going to demonstrate on Charlotte's hand. So we've got 150 this side, 240 this side. 240 I'm going to use because I'm going to use it on natural nails. Charlotte's growing her nails. What's your ideal shape once you've grown them?
Quite like your shape.
Yeah. Takes a lot of length off to get them though, my shape, because imagine if you took those side walls off, you'd have hardly any nail left.
Yeah.
So you have to grow it out quite far to get to that point. So I'd stick with that sort of square shape.
For now, until
for as long as you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then definitely. You'll get there. I know you don't believe me at the minute.
I've never had them this long though, like.
You've never had long nails, have you? Natural nails, you've just
I'm a
bitten.
chewy. I can remember you did a video on my nails, and I think you called it. It was fine. It was prepping, nasty, bitten. down nails. And you have got that video. It's on one of your it's on your YouTube channel. And you were prepping nasty bitten clients' nails. And they were my nails.
Yeah, so they used to be really bad. Not anymore.
No.
We're getting there, aren't we? We are
Slowly.
getting
I mean,
there.
it's taken 29 years.
Yeah, that's all. It's your next birthday, your 30th. When are you 30?
No, sorry, next December. So I'm 29 this December.
Oh, that's all
But
right.
yeah,
then.
I keep saying to Nick, I'm 30 next year. How can I be 30 next year when I'm not even 29 yet?
Right, so I am going to just show you briefly prepping with the 240. I know you can use your mandrel bit with your sanding bands for this as well, but obviously some people haven't got an electric file or are scared of using an electric file or aren't qualified to use an electric file. So you can use the 240 grit nail file. So these won't be replacing the old files. We still have the other files as well. So like we still have the normal Kirsty Meakin files. So we have those as well. So it's completely your choice. These are just more cost effective if you are, you know, getting rid of the files after your client has used them. Well, after you've used them on the client, rather. So they're more cost effective. That's why we brought them out. The other thing that is amazing about these files is the strength of the file is so strong because of that metal centreboard. It's amazing. It's such an amazing centreboard. It's so strong. So you can get everything super sharp. And Vanessa used them on herself and she said, I feel like I don't have to press as hard.
Yeah.
Because there's less flexibility. So that's quite cool. You know, she doesn't do nails and that's good. So, I'm just going to prep over these. And that is pretty much it really. I just wanted to show you our new files that are amazing for, you know, hygiene reasons and also performance reasons. So imagine like if you've got a really long acrylic nail and you know you've got your 100 grit on your 180 grit on a file, you know everything's gonna be super sharp and clean because you don't have as much flex. Some people like the flexibility and the lightweightness. Is that a word? Lightweightness? Because this is lighter than this because this is metal. So, you know, your choice. Personal preference. There we are. Oh! Don't go anywhere. I need to show you how to take them off, don't I? So I nearly missed that bit out. So, after you've used it on your client, what you can do is you can remove this and you just peel up one side like that. And then, literally, just peel that off like that. And you can discard that in the bin. Same with the other side. Just peel it off. And then you can sanitize this again. So it's great because it's so clean and your clients watching you be so clean will have full trust in you as well. And that's really important in this day and age, Duck, because you know it's all a bit crazy out there and we've got to be safe. So be safe or be sorry because we can't have them closing us down again. All right? So there you are, guys. The link for the products will be listed below. If you haven't done it already, please subscribe. If you've made it to the end of this video, then thank you so much and please give us a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.